Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your Digi Hustle News. As always, I'm Wade Teamer. Really just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going on with the markets right now. We actually had a pretty decent pump occur in the last hour or so, and this is the weekly close, so this is important to watch out for. Now, I was looking at the charts, and I can tell you that the majority of this action, guys, and you see I still have our indicators there is coming from the daily. I'm going to reset that zoom in so you guys can get a better picture of what's going on. But see, what's happening, guys, is that we have on the daily, I guess, interacted enough with this lower band that now it's starting to push us up the other direction. So, if we are to continue this current movement, then we should be aiming towards to recover to about the 40s, 41, 42 range. However, we could still, because we're on this bottom end of the bands, guys, this could just be temporary. Bitcoin could just be trying to recover before the weekly close. However, like I always say, let's take our gains while we got them, guys, because see, still on the weekly, we have to recover all of this. Now, something else that I did find interesting, guys, and it's going to take us to the monthly chart here, is that we came down and we had that wick there, and ever since we have been recovering. So that may be the contact point that we needed to start our recovery phase. I still think it's going to take a week, maybe two, to really start seeing some gains, but we seem to be heading in the right direction, guys. Definitely on the right trajectory. Now, of course, like we said, last time we touched that band was 2020. That kicked off a year-long rally. We have definitely sustained enough. We've had enough of a dip the last few months, guys, for the time to be right for another rally in the other direction. Now, of course, guys, things could go either way. Like I said before, this could just be a small pump. But one thing I do notice that is in the headlines is that there are a lot of stories similar to this here. Blockchain metaverse ecosystems gain traction as brands create digital experiences, guys. So, this is just basically talking about how the big mainstream companies are getting involved with the metaverse. So, this is something that we know all too well. But what I'm seeing is that the headlines now are starting to talk about alternatives to the big chains. They're starting to talk about how to look for altcoins and stuff like that. So, I'm seeing interesting behavior in the headlines, guys, and it's kind of going to set the landscape for us. So that's very interesting. Now, before we get out of here, I want to give you guys kind of a preview of the week ahead. The Fed proposed their CBDC. Now, I don't think it's a dystopian nightmare, guys. And once we go down into that document, you're going to find out why. We're going to break down that whole report because what's the most interesting part is where the Fed is conducting their research. So we're going to break that down. And then also, guys, this week, crypto.com made headlines again, making a very bold prediction. They're predicting 1 billion crypto users across all platforms globally by the end of the year. By the end of the year, guys, and they present some very, very powerful information. So, preparing a report on that for you guys. Federal Reserve CBDCs, that's coming. And of course, we still have to talk about KuCoin and Web3, guys. So, it's going to be a very good week. It's going to be a very good week. Hope you stick around for that, guys. But like I said, this was just going to be a quick analysis video, guys, just to give you an update. Looking at the Elite 8, guys, Binance under 400 bucks. That's still amazing. 383. That's a good move. Now, another good move, of course, is H bar sitting at 22-cent. Chili's being this low, guys, we already know that's the future of sports entertainment right there, guys. Digibyte Energy Web, we already know what the game plan is, guys. So pretty much Prices are still down. What we're seeing right now, all of these greens here are recoveries, guys. This is the recovery phase. So still be patient. Keep an eye out on the utility blockchains. Stick to your guns, and we're going to be all right. I'll see y'all in the morning. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this information with friends and family. If you're new to crypto, I have links to the most notable exchanges in the description. Using the links below supports the channel and comes with special bonuses for members of our network. For more information on the new economy, check out the playlist related to this episode on the right and our most recent episode on the left. As always, have a great day, have a prosperous day. Most importantly, we making this money. I'll see y'all in the next one.